welcome back to the Car Xplorer. Today we're diving into one of the most impressive and luxurious creations in the world of motorhomes, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome. Known for their dominance in the trucking industry, Kenworth has taken their expertise in heavy-duty design and combined it with high-end comfort, transforming this machine into a true luxury home on wheels. This is not just a vehicle. It's an experience built for those who love adventure, travel, and style without compromise. From the very first glance, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome makes a bold statement with its commanding presence. The exterior design reflects the iconic Kenworth DNA, muscular, aerodynamic, and modern. The front fascia features a massive chrome grille that glistens in the sunlight, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that not only look futuristic, but also provide exceptional visibility at night. The body is crafted with high-strength aluminum and lightweight composite panels, ensuring both durability and better fuel efficiency. The aerodynamic lines across the sides improve airflow, reducing drag for smoother highway cruising. The exterior also includes retractable awnings, solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roofline, and side storage compartments that open electronically, adding both convenience and practicality for long journeys. As we step inside, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome takes luxury to another level. The interior feels more like a five-star suite than a motorhome. The cabin is spacious, bright, and beautifully designed with premium leather upholstery, real wood trims, and ambient LED lighting that can be customized to match your mood. The cockpit is driver-focused, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen with AI-based navigation, and integrated 360-degree cameras for easy maneuvering. The captain's chairs are fully adjustable, heated, cooled, and even offer massage functions, ensuring ultimate comfort on long drives. Moving toward the living area, you're greeted with a lounge setup that includes reclining sofas, a foldable dining table, and a large smart TV with surround sound. The kitchen area is equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a dishwasher. Kenworth didn't cut corners anywhere. Every detail is thoughtfully designed to make life on the road as comfortable as being at home. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, dual wardrobes, and smart climate control. The bathroom is equally impressive with a glass-enclosed shower, modern fixtures, and ample space. Every inch of this motorhome reflects craftsmanship, luxury, and intelligent design. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is a true powerhouse. Under the hood, it's powered by a next-generation hybrid diesel-electric powertrain that delivers both immense torque and remarkable efficiency. The motorhome boasts an output of over 600 horsepower, enabling it to handle steep inclines and long-distance travel with ease. The advanced air suspension system ensures a smooth and stable ride, even on uneven terrains. It's also equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and Kenworth's intelligent drive mode system, which automatically adjusts throttle response, braking, and suspension for optimal comfort and safety. Despite its size, this motorhome drives surprisingly well, smooth, confident, and controlled. The 2026 Kenworth Motorhome also emphasizes sustainability. With its solar-assisted power system, regenerative braking, and efficient hybrid engine, it significantly reduces fuel consumption compared to traditional diesel-only models. It's an ideal choice for eco-conscious travelers who don't want to sacrifice power or luxury. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome starts around $850,000, but fully loaded versions with all premium features can reach up to $1.2 million. While that might sound steep, the level of engineering, comfort, and technology you get makes it worth every dollar for those who seek the ultimate travel experience. In short, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome represents the future of luxury travel. Powerful, sustainable, and incredibly comfortable, it's designed for those who believe the journey is just as important as the destination. So if you're ready to explore the world without leaving the comfort of home, this is the motorhome that defines freedom on the road.